Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to use aloe vera for hair growth. And as you can see in the video, I am peeling out the back part of the aloe vera, and then cutting out the jelly part inside the bowl. And I'm just going ahead to do that for all the aloe veras that I have, just to ensure that the gel gets in properly. Okay, this is how it looks like when I blended it all together. Now the mistake I made was I added too much water, so it wasn't as jelly as it's supposed to be, or as thick as it was supposed to be. But nevertheless, I did not mind. I moved on to removing the peels because some of the peels went in when I blended it. The aloe vera was a little bit slimy, so it was difficult for me to cut all the peels as I was cutting out the aloe vera gel. So if you have sieve, you can use that for it. I looked around for sieve and I didn't find, so I just decided to use this manual method to remove the green part of the aloe vera. So yeah, it took me a little bit of time. As you can see, it could be time taking. That's why I said if you have sieve, just use it. So pouring everything into the bottle, I ensure that everything went into the bottle as much as possible. I tried to reduce the green part, although most of them still ended up getting into it. And yeah, once that was done, look at the way it looks like now. Okay, so if you find this difficult, you can just use the gel directly from the plant. Normally I don't use aloe vera, but for the purpose of this video, and I know that other people might need it, I decided to use it like this. So yeah, I don't do it all the time, and for this video I just did it once or twice. I didn't really put all the energy into it, and so the results were not as massive. But after spraying this on my scalp, massaging it on my scalp for just just 2 days, I still saw results, because I know I have used this in a week before and my edges grew out back. So I'm just doing this as a video for those people that need to know how to create it and need to know if it works or if it does not. So you make sure that you spray it in your whole scalp and ensure that you are massaging properly into your scalp as frequently as you want results. That should be as frequently as you do. You can do it once every day, and if you don't want your aloe vera to spoil, just put it inside the fridge and then keep using it. You can make a new batch as much as you're going to be using it. Yeah, so this is me just spraying it on my scalp, my edges, everything. And guys, I was really shocked at the results because I didn't use it for long. Please know these things actually do work for hair growth, but if you do not have a natural hair routine, you might not actually see the right changes. Because if your routine is breaking your hair as your hair is growing, you might not see the right amount of growth that you want. So